morning everybody. MCOM first semester Indian Financial System subject students. Today we will go for learning about the Exim Bank, which is nothing but Export Import Bank of India, Bharatiya Niryat Ayat Bank. I am Dr. K.V. Somnath, Assistant Professor, GS College of Commerce, Vartha. Let us go for the introduction. The Exim Bank was established by Government of India under the Export Import Bank of India Act 1981 as a purveyor of export credit, mirroring global export credit agencies. Exim Bank serves as a growth engine for industries and SMEs through a wide range of products and services. This includes import of technology and export product development, export production, export marketing, pre-shipment and post-shipment and overseas investment. Exim Bank extends lines of credit to overseas financial institutions, regional development banks, sovereign governments and other entities overseas to enable buyers in those countries to import developmental and infrastructural projects, equipment, goods and services from India on deferred credit terms. Exim Bank has laid strong emphasis on enhancing project exports, the funding options for which they have been enhanced with introduction of the Buyer's Credit National Export Insurance Account BCNEIA program. During the year ended March 31, 2020, Exim Bank sanctioned loans of rupees 40,255 crore, while the disbursement amounted to rupees 33,735 crore. Loan assets stood at rupees 99,447 crore as on March 31, 2020. Today, with Exim Bank serves as a growth engine for Indian businesses, a range of products and services. This includes import of technology and export product development, export production, export marketing, pre-shipment and post-shipment and overseas investments. In a rapidly shifting financial landscape, we are catalyst and a key player in the promotion of cross-border trade and investment in the form of the Exim Bank of India. The objectives: providing financial assistance to exporters and importers and functioning as the principal financial institution for coordinating the working of institutions engaged in financing export and import of goods and services with a view to promoting the country's international trade. The second is to act on business principles with due regard to public interest. Third one, the bank's mission is to facilitate globalization of Indian business. The profile of Exim Bank. The Exim Bank was set up on 1982 by an Act of Parliament for the purpose of financing, facilitating and promoting India's foreign trade. It is the principal financial institution in the country for coordinating the working of institutions engaged in financing exports and imports. Exim Bank is fully owned by Government of India. The bank provides financial assistance to export-oriented Indian companies by way of term loans in Indian rupees or foreign currencies for setting up new production facilities, expansion, modernization or upgradation of existing facilities, and for acquisition of production equipment or technology. The bank lays special emphasis on extension of lines of credit to overseas entities, national governments, regional financial institutions, and commercial banks. The bank also extends buyer's credit and supplier's credit to finance and promote country's exports. To promote high-tech exports from India, the bank has a lending program to finance research and development activities of export-oriented companies. The bank has put in place an export marketing services (EMS) program to assist Indian companies in identifying of prospective business partners, facilitating placement of final orders, and also identification of opportunities for setting up plans or projects or for acquisition of companies overseas. Exim Bank supplements its financing programs with a wide range of value-added information, advisory and support services which enable exporters to evaluate international risk, exploit export opportunities and improve competitiveness, thereby helping them in their globalization efforts. The Exim Bank has the branches across the world as well as in India. In the domestic country, that is India, the branches are Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chandigarh, Chennai, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Kolkata, New Delhi and Pune. In the case of the overseas branch, Addis Ababa, Dubai, Johannesburg, London, Singapore, Washington DC and Yangon. The Exim Bank's vision has evolved from a product-centric approach with export credits and export capability creation to a more customer-centric approach by offering a comprehensive range of products and services to empower businesses at all stages of a company's business cycle. Today, we develop commercially viable relationships with a target set of externally oriented companies through a comprehensive range of products and services. Aimed at enhancing their internationalization efforts, going ahead, we inspire to utilize our leadership and expertise in export financing to make lasting difference to Indian companies with global aspirations. The bank mission is to facilitate globalization of Indian business. The organization and management. The Exim Bank is managed by a board consisting of a managing director who is the chairman and 17 directors representing different areas. They are secretary to the Department of Industrial Board, Commerce Secretary, Finance Secretary, Secretary to Banking, Secretary IDBI, Secretary Export Credit Guarantee Corporation, Secretary RBI, 3 directors representing other scheduled commercial banks, 4 directors chosen from export community, and 3 others representing ministries and departments. The functions of Exim Bank. It finances import and export of goods and services from India. It also finances the import and export of goods and services from other countries to India, other than India. It finances the import or export of machines and machinery on lease or hire purchases basis as well. It provides refinancing services to the banks and other financial institutions for their financing of foreign trade. Exim Bank will also provide a financial assistance to businesses joining a joint venture in a foreign country. The bank also provides technical and other assistance to importers and exporters. Depending upon the country of origin, there are a lot of processes and procedures involved in the export and import of goods. The Exim Bank will provide guidance and assistance in administrative matters as well. Undertakes functions of a merchant bank for the importer or exporter in transactions of foreign trade. It also underwrites shares, debentures, stocks, bonds of companies engaged in foreign trade. It will offer short-term loans or loans of credit to foreign banks and governments. Exim Bank can also provide business advisory services and expert knowledge to Indian exporters in respect of multi-funded projects in foreign countries. With this, I hope that you might have well understood what is Exim Bank, what are the functions and what are the actions and activities and what are the ways in which the Exim Bank is going to function in the given arena of exports and imports businesses to help the country and the businessmen in this arena. Thank you very much for having patient listening in this particular program. Thank you.